good, y'all? I just got into my new home, apartment home, and I'm still moving everything in, so I'm probably going to give y'all a little tour or something. So let's do it. Y'all see that broom? Y'all see that broom? That's provided by the gods. Y'all see these plastic cups? Y'all see these plastic cups? Cause I don't want to get real cups. Provided by the gods. You see this site, nigga? Provided by the gods. Yeah, I got that too. I got that little thingy in there too. Y'all see them old used up couches? Provided by the gods. I don't know, I'm probably gonna put like some anime stuff. What the hell, mother? That was the fridge, the ice maker, I think. Provided by the gods. I'm about to weed this place out. I'll put so much, I can already tell a JoJo picture is going right up there on that wall.
Y'all see this rug, nigga? Provided by the gods.
This mirror, provided by the gods. The toilet, where I release myself, provided by the gods. I would show y'all my chambers, but my chambers is still being set up. Pretty dirty right now, so I shall not show you my chambers. This is the room where a lot of the magic will happen. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom set up for the most part, but I basically set this up like a YouTube room type of thing. Still setting a lot of things up, but of course, provided by the gods. Once again, just setting up everything here. Yeah, it's a pretty spacious place, you know, this new home, this new apartment and whatnot. Moving on up, moving on out. Right now at 300,000 subs, no, 300, well technically 316,000 subs, I believe. That's just crazy, okay? That's insane. I don't even know how to express my gratitude to y'all, to anybody that watches, to anybody that listens, comments, likes, subscribe, share, all that good things, you know? You guys are really what makes this fun. You guys are really what just gives me the passion to do what I want to do. You know, I just love entertaining folks. I love reading y'all's comments. I love doing this, and I'm gonna do it as long as I can. You know what I'm saying? Even though 2020 has been really a crazy year all around, I would say for YouTube though, for YouTube specifically for me, it has been pretty great. Seeing so many of y'all enjoy the videos, it's been a real experience when it comes to that. And the fact that I can literally talk about anything, and a lot of y'all just come in and y'all still like it and enjoy it for whatever I am doing. That makes me happy because I like doing a lot of different things. You know, whether it's reactions, tier lists, skits, thoughts land, whatever it is, y'all have came and y'all have supported, and I appreciate that. Once again, I got a Powerade tongue. A lot of y'all been asking me why you always got like a red tongue or a blue tongue. Listen, y'all, okay? Listen, I did not eat out a Smurf, okay? I did not suck a Smurf's dick, okay? Listen, I drink a lot of Powerade. So if y'all ever see me with a Powerade tongue, with a red, an orange tongue, I drink Powerade, okay? I don't know no Smurfs out here, okay? Back to what I was saying, I'm just really appreciative. Like last year, when it came to YouTube, I really didn't know where I was going with this. There was even a point where I was thinking, like this time last year, I was even thinking about quitting. I was even thinking about quitting YouTube, okay? Can y'all imagine that, me quitting YouTube? I was that close. Some of y'all been here for that long and even longer, and there was just months where I just wasn't posting videos, okay? Just months on end. I ain't post nothing, and I still don't post consistently, but at least try to post at least 1, 2, 3 times a week. I would like to do daily videos, but like I said before, it's just what I feel it. When I get the passion coming in, when I get the juices flowing, that's when I really decide to do videos. Plus, I want to put real hard work into them, you know, a lot of love into them, you know what I'm saying? But basically, last year, I almost quit. I just had a really tough time last year, a really tough time, dealing with a lot of different issues. And now we're here with 300-something thousand subscribers, and that's, like I said, that's just the same to me. Some of y'all been here as long as when I was in that like one room with all the pictures in the back when I was in basically my college dorm room, basically. That was maybe only like 4 years ago, and that's still like, it's just insane to think that that's where I was in the past. Like, time goes by so fast. I feel like a totally different world. Some of y'all been here since then. Once again, I appreciate that. Since then, I've been in and out of college, in and out of classes, in and out from jobs to jobs. I worked from anywhere from Walmart to Kroger to Papa John's to car washes. I work at a lot of different places. And now I'm here today. You know, it's just like I said, it's just a weird feeling. You know, I'm thankful to the Lord for all my experiences. I'm appreciative that I get to do something that I know I just completely enjoy doing. I always wanted to entertain people. I've always wanted people to have a joy watching me, to laugh while watching me. I remember when I first came onto YouTube watching people like PewDiePie, Markiplier, Poisedzone, even people like Tyrone Magnus, RDC World, KSI, you know, watching all these different YouTubers. And I was just looking at them like, wow, this stuff looks fun. You know, this stuff looks entertaining. This stuff looks just enjoyable to do. And when I started, I was just thinking, I just wanted to have a platform to put videos that I enjoy doing, have a platform to talk about the things that I wanted to talk about, whether it was anime, whether it was anything. And I have used this platform to talk about and do a whole bunch of things related to a whole bunch of different things, even for doing stuff for adult content. Ooh. To the point where I even got a hentai sponsor. Now I want to ascend. Now I want sponsor from X videos for dildos. I don't care. For adult toys. Like, so if any company from any category such as that want to send me some stuff, you know, to the review, to sponsor, I'm down. Who knew I was even going to come on this channel to talk about police brutality, but I felt like at the time I had a pretty decent sized platform, so I wanted to talk about that situation. And I was just surprised at how many of you listened and liked and was willing to discuss with me. And I am just happy that there's also just so many videos where y'all loved, quoted me, shared my videos, supported me over the years. It's an unreal feeling. It really is. It's like, wow. There's a lot of people that really support me. There's a lot of people that really enjoy what I do. And I want to continue to do and continue to put out stuff that y'all enjoy, that I enjoy doing. And that's right now where we're heading. That's right now what I'm going to do. So anyways, like I said, appreciate 300,000 subscribers, y'all. Appreciate all the love. Appreciate all the support. I'm going to finish all my stuff I need to do here and everything, getting this whole place together. And I've been saying this literally for the past 4 to 5 years now, and I'm going to continue to say it. Y'all keep on being amazing. Peace of two fingers.